This is the video for lesson 34 on my website, Reading a Thermometer and Ruler. This is an easy lesson, but it builds skills that will be important later when we have to interpret graphs and charts. Let's take a look at this picture of a thermometer. First of all, notice that it's in degrees Celsius. In most parts of the world, they use Celsius to measure temperature, but in the United States we use Fahrenheit. Later you'll learn how to convert from one system to the other. Now, we want to figure out how high the mercury is in this thermometer, and before we can do that, we need to figure out what each of these lines represent. Now, the first thing we do is we notice that there are 4 lines in between the 10 and the 20, and that means that there are 5 steps to get us from 10 to 20. If you count, you'll see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, between 20 and 10, there's 10 degrees. So we can take that 10 degrees and divide it by 5, the 5 steps, and see that each step represents 2 degrees. Now with that, if we wanted, we could label this 12, this line 14. I'm using opposite sides just so that I don't have to squeeze it in as much. This is 16, and this is 18 degrees. Now we're not done yet. We can see that the mercury is halfway between the 16 and the 18, so we can just deduce pretty easily that the mercury is at 17 degrees, halfway between the 16 and the 18. So that thermometer is showing us 17 degrees Celsius. Okay.